18-year-old shattered many records during his super knock.
Feeling really good now after the 100, and first I was a bit nervous, but when I got in I was like quite comfortable. It was on my mind, it's my first test cricket, so how am I supposed to bat? But on the other side I was like, okay, I'll play my game. I was like confident after playing 10 overs and 15 overs, so I was just playing ball of the merit, and I just kept on going. For India it was a big thing for me, because each and every cricketer dreams to play, dream to come in this Indian side, and I got the chance, and I didn't want to lose this opportunity.
Prithvi Shaw is now the youngest Indian to score a test ton on debut. The wonder kid from Mumbai is the only player to score a ton on Ranji Trophy, Duleep and Test debut. The right-hander is the fourth youngest batsman to score a ton on debut in